fully pupils and Gabriel reduced to, and under mathematics, we're going to be treating proportion. And proportion is divided into two types. We have the direct proportion and the indirect proportion, which is also known as the inverse proportion. For direct proportion, as the number increase or reduce, so as the quantity will also increase or reduce respectively. That is, it goes end in end. Let's say, for example, 5 books of the same value cost 400 naira. Find the cost of such book. Find the cost of 7 of such book. Now, say 5 books. It's going to be equal to 5 books equals to 400 naira, right? Then one book is going to be equal to what? 400 naira divided by what? The total number of 5 books, which is going to be equal to 400 over 5. 5 where 1, 5 and 400 we have 80. So it's equals to what? 80 naira. This is one book will cost 80 naira. We are looking for the cost of 7 books. Now let's say 7 books is going to be equals to what? We already derived that one book is 80 naira. So now we're looking for 7 books. 80 naira multiplied by what? 7. And 80 times 7 is going to give us what? 560 naira. That is the total price, the total amount or cost for 7 books is 560 naira. Now let's take the second part of proportion, which is the indirect or inverse proportion. The indirect and inverse proportion, in this case, as number increase or reduce, so the quantities will also reduce or increase, but in opposite ways. In direct proportion, I said they go hand in hand. When it's if number increase or reduce, the quantity will also increase or reduce in the same ratio. But under indirect, it's in opposite ways. Now let's take for example, 3 laborers can weed the field in 9 days. How long will it take 9 laborers to do the same job working at the same rate? Now we are forced to that 3 laborers will weed the field in how many days? Because what? 9 days, right? 3 laborers will weed the field in 9 days, and 1 laborer. Now for us to know how long it take 9 laborers, let's first get for 1 laborer. For 1 laborer is going to be equal to what? For 1 laborer we are going to have 9 days multiplied by what? The number of laborers, which is 3 laborers. And 9 times 7 equals to what? 27. Right? 9 times 3 I mean equals to 27 days. Now to get, the main question says, how long will it take 9 laborers to do the same job? Now we're going to say 9 laborers is going to be equal to what? 27 days divided by what? 9. Right? 9 1, 9, 27, 3 equals to 3 days. That is, it will take 9 laborers to finish the work in 3 days. But it will take 3 laborers to finish the work in 9 days. Now you see that it goes opposite ways, unlike direct proportion. So that's that about that in proportion.